Saudi Arabia has just shattered a decades-old monopoly in military aviation sustainment. For the first time outside Europe, the kingdom has completed a full 2,500 flight-hour heavy maintenance overhaul of a Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jet entirely on its own soil. This isn't just a maintenance milestone. It's a strategic inflection point for defense investors watching the Middle East. On June 21, 2026, confirmation emerged that King Fahd Air Base in Taif successfully executed the most demanding maintenance cycle in the Typhoon's service lifecycle. The 180-day operation involved complete disassembly of structural components, internal systems inspection, fatigue testing, parts replacement, and full combat requalification. Until now, this level of depot maintenance was exclusively performed in the United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, and Spain. Saudi Arabia has now broken that barrier. What makes this achievement even more significant, approximately 80% of the personnel involved were Saudi nationals. This reflects years of technology transfer, aerospace training, and industrial partnership embedded within the kingdom's defense acquisition framework. The Taif facility is now the only certified Eurofighter Typhoon heavy maintenance center outside Europe, a unique position that transforms Saudi Arabia from a defense importer into an emerging sovereign sustainment power for investors. Three key opportunities emerge. First, operational sovereignty reduces aircraft downtime and logistics vulnerability, directly improving fleet availability and combat readiness. Second, this milestone strengthens Saudi Arabia's negotiating position in ongoing discussions for 48 additional Typhoon aircraft, which could expand the fleet to 120 jets and generate multi-billion-dollar procurement commitments. Third, the achievement validates the kingdom's Vision 2030 goal of localizing 50% of military spending, signaling sustained investment in domestic aerospace infrastructure, high-skill workforce development, and industrial self-sufficiency. Saudi Arabia currently operates 72 Eurofighter Typhoons, with 71 assessed as operational, making it one of the largest Typhoon operators globally. The fleet has accumulated significant flight hours due to sustained regional operations, creating continuous demand for heavy maintenance cycles. By internalizing this capability, the Royal Saudi Air Force gains predictable turnaround times, reduced geopolitical exposure, and enhanced force projection endurance during regional contingencies. This overhaul represents more than technical achievement. It signals a new model for defense partnerships where technology absorption and sustainment sovereignty become central to major procurement agreements. For investors tracking aerospace, defense industrialization, and Middle Eastern security markets, Saudi Arabia's Typhoon maintenance breakthrough marks the emergence of a high-value, locally integrated defense ecosystem with long-term growth potential. The kingdom is no longer just buying advanced aircraft, it's building the infrastructure to sustain them independently. That's where the real investment story begins. Thank you for watching To The Ultra Defense.